Hello, and thank you for joining us this evening. I'm your host, Infinity Pro Grower Dustin, and I'm coming to you live with an extreme weather warning in effect for Canal Park. As you can see from some of our footage that our news anchors captured earlier in the evening, the wind is causing dangerously high waves and terrible swimming conditions. We currently have our respondent Dustin live on the scene. Dustin, can you give us an idea of what's going on down there?
Thanks, Dustin! I'm coming to you live! Storms of blue! 5 feet on This is the craziest storm that I've ever seen in my 20 years of living here! If you get a chance, stand far away! Canal Park is watchable! It's absolutely crazy! I don't really care anymore because I'm so wet! This is supposed to be a park for children, and it is now a path for destruction! They were recently trying to rebuild this path, and now their plans are going away. We have locals everywhere out here. We got those Duluthians are actually.
Oh, we got a big one. We got a big one. We got a big one.
We have a huge wave over here.
Wait for it. Wait for it, monster.
Alright! Back to you, Dustin!
Thanks for the update, Dustin. As our live footage continues to roll, we'll see that the waves just keep coming and the rain keeps pouring. It is absolute destruction down there. Here, we can see locals running from their lives as the waves continue to crash in, and they're absolutely scared out of their pajamas. Here, our respondent Dustin is getting hit with a 15-foot wave himself. There is no stopping this weather. Oh, what's that? We actually have a pedestrian on the street live with Dustin giving us his take on the weather.
Sir, what do you think about this weather today?
Pretty wicked.
It's pretty wicked.
It's up today.
Oh yeah, are you gonna get out there on the board?
No, not today.
Dustin, that was the on-scene bystander giving their input on the situation down here. As he said, absolutely wicked and great for surfing. If you have a surfboard, make sure you get down here and get ready to go.
Thanks for the final update, Dustin. As we bring this to a close, I advise you that you stay in your home and stay as far away from Canal Park as possible. With the water levels continuing to rise in the streets and the boardwalk being destroyed every minute that goes by, there's no telling what this storm will deal next. So make sure that you get your hot cocoa, sit back, watch some Netflix, and stay away from Canal Park. I've been your host, Infinity Pro Grower Dustin, and thank you for watching. Good night. This just in. I am not wearing pants. Good night.